Alright, so I'll save it up to this point. And in the next step, we want to get a duplicate of the base view and categorize these inside of it. So in the library, I'll search for duplicate, view, and we can open up the tool which uses the same practical beam package that we've discussed many times. Alright, and then over here, the new name is the name that we've created ourselves. And the select view is the base view that we've selected here, and it's the 3D view over here. It's this one right here. Alright, now let me go back over here and get a save of the file up to this point. Alright, and now we want to go ahead and hide the unnecessary elements here. So in the library, search for hide elements in view. Alright, then we can open it up and connect the elements to the list over here. Then we can connect the view to here. And the last item, the default value, we can create a bool for and set it on true. Alright, and the rest are pretty much fine for now. I just have to right click on the hide elements in view and put the lacing on the longest option. And for the elements, I'll select level 2 and then press run. Now it should give us enough views over here for the exact amounts of the system classifications and only show us the important elements inside of it. Let's see if we can get this done or not. Alright, inside of the 3D view, we can see all of the elements listed here. For example, select this one which opens up the domestic cold water. And this part is actually HVAC related, which you can hide if it's to your preference. And this is an excellent option for us. The next view is domestic cold water and domestic hot water. And we have the next one as well that says the domestic cold water. Now I can select this one as well. And you can see how neatly the items are organized here. And it can be extremely helpful to you in the presentation of your work. Alright, so then I'll go over to the 3D view underscore other, and we can see the items listed here in the 3D view as well. The one after that is the fire protection, although we need more heat resistance items here. Now it may even work much better if we select the items manually and then give in the names ourselves, because the default settings may show us different results, but if you do it manually you can get a much more professional and better looking results. For example, here it says the sanitary view and it shows us exactly the elements that we want to see. And the next item listed here is the sanitary vents, and then this one down here is listed as vent, and the items here may have been mixed with the views. For example, these are the vents here, and the last one is the view vent sanitary, and so on. And just let me see what we have over here. We have the hydronic supply listed here, and the fire protection as well. And that's about it for this method, which is one of the most useful ways that you can go about the categorization of your items inside of your views, especially for those who are working the mechanics. And we can use the same method in the architecture and the structure as well, but it's used more in the mechanics. For example, you can list the columns and the beams in the structure and cover the walls and the joinery